21 now. How often do we hear stories about people getting bitten by dogs? A lot of times it's kids. Well, a local woman says these bites don't happen out of the blue and can be prevented. We have Lisa Desatnik here along with Willow Kuth. Good morning to you guys.
Good morning. Thanks
so
for
much
having
coming
us.
on. And we have Gertie, right?
Right.
Beautiful dog here.
She is. She visits Children's Hospital.
Oh, I love that. The therapy dog.
Uh-huh.
I love that. Okay, so I want to ask you, I mean, a lot of instances we really do hear about people getting bitten by dogs. How do we prevent it? Is there a common mistake that we do all the time?
There's a number of them, but the thing is that we want to realize a lot of these also happen with kids.
Yeah,
and these
absolutely.
can absolutely be prevented.
Okay.
We want to teach kids how dogs communicate, and we want parents to understand kids should always be supervised. We want to set them up for success so that they can succeed with their pet. Kids should always be the giver of good things for their pet. They should never be taking things from their pet.
Okay.
When we learn how dogs are communicating, if kids are interacting inappropriately, we can redirect the kids. If we watch the dogs and they're showing body language that they're uncomfortable, then we can redirect the kids and set them up for success. We teach kids about responsibility.
Yeah.
We teach kids how to be nice to their dogs, how to say I'm sorry if you know something happens. Not running, running, it triggers real excitement in dogs.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we want calm around dogs, teaching as far as appropriate play. And with little kids, especially with dogs, feeding with their hand out like this instead of, with fists, because teeth can accidentally get on fists. But really, and how to play appropriately with their pet. Again, calm behaviors. It actually teach kids how to teach their pets different behaviors. I like to go into, because I'm all about positive reinforcement, so teaching kids to find the good behaviors in their dogs.
Now you have a program called How to Be a Dog's Best Friend, right?
We do.
So,
yes.
and that's going to be helping kids. What are the age groups that you work with? I know you're how old, 5, right, Willow? So you work with kids as young as 5.
She's almost 6. This program is I'm partnering with Cincinnati Parks, and this is the second year we're doing this, and it worked out so well for the kids the first year. It's a 2-hour program for kids 6 to 9. I'm going to be working with the kids, teaching them about how dogs communicate, about how to be a responsible pet friend, how to be nice to your pet, and I want parents to be there because it's really important for parents to hear this too. And then they'll be doing crafts and games and things with Cincinnati Parks.
This is a fun day. We put the graphic up for you now, Saturday, January 11th from 10 to noon at Alt Park. We have that information on our website at FOX19.com.
And I do want to mention, we need pre-registration. You cannot just show up, so you have to pre-register for this.
Can we kind of get an idea of what it will be like when you are there helping kids learn about how to react with dogs, or how to just interact with dogs?
Well, Gertie is going to be, she's going to be my helper that day.
She's a sweet dog.
She's a wonderful
just relaxing
dog.
There.
She is a fabulous dog.
Okay.
So we're going to go through with kids. I really talk at their level as far as this is how dogs tell you when they're happy. This is how dogs tell you when they want to be left alone, because we all like to be left alone sometimes. How do you like to be taught? Do you like when people tell you that you've done good things? Then we're going to do demos. We're going to be doing, showing kids how to pet a dog, how to greet a dog that they don't know, doing some simple behaviors with their dogs.
So Willow, do you know how to pet a dog? What's the proper way?
Well, first you ask her, right? Well, you would, if we were in a park or another setting, you would first ask me. And then you would ask her, and the way you ask her is, well, right now she's laying down, but you would ask her by watching her body language. If she comes near you, then you allow her to sniff. Okay.
So you allow her to sniff.
And then you watch her body language. You want to avoid petting on top of the head. Willow's okay, but there are a lot of dogs that would not be okay with that. So petting under here. You want to try that?
There you go, Willow.
Let her sniff. Okay.
And that's how it's done. You see? Good job, Willow. Give me a high five.
Good job.
Thank you guys so much for coming. And we're going to put all that information on our website, FOX19.com, so they can check out this event and really learn how to interact with the dog the correct way.
Thanks.
Again, thanks so much. A reminder, if you see news happening, we want to hear from you. Hey, Gertie. Join the FOX19 News Nation and send us your pictures and video to pics@FOX19.com. We'll see you guys after the break.